Capricorn, your trouble spots will be in negotiation, discussion, on the road, signing agreements, brainstorming, indifferences, and some hot words throwing around. Your good spot will be in regards to your home, family, domestic matters, property dealings, buying, selling, renting, receiving of visitors, and going to visit others. Your good spot is in regards to your love, social affairs, children affairs, dealing with mental pursuits, enterprising development, and a lot of social invites. Your trouble spot will be in dealing with liabilities, people that you have to work with, plans going fumble, work being held up due to irresponsible or emergency in workers' development and agendas. So during this period, it's easy to blow your top and lose your cool, but that is something you just don't want to do, if possible. The good spot will be in partnership, joint venture, close union, mutual interest, and you're going to get a lot of good support coming in from others. Even the opposite sex will find you attractive. The good spot will be in regards to loans, credits, banking matters, dealing with financial issues, tapping on new resources, wealth creation, as well as information and secret policies. The good spot will be with overseas matters, foreign affairs, higher learnings, upgrading skills, dealing with hierarchies, and getting help from people in power position. The hot spot is in regards to your work, career matters, business interests, plans and policies, management, plan and action that you take could all be halted and faltered. The trouble spots will be in group activities dealing with the masses. Not good for taking chances. Luck is against you. And during this time, you could be getting some troubled people, especially acquaintances, coming to you with their own confusion and confusing all matters. The trouble spot will be in regards to losses, breakup, parting, separation, and complication. This is a period where you could hear some sad news, hospitalization, emergencies. Best to keep a low profile at this time. Only deal with what is necessary. The trouble spot will be in personal life and activities, dealing with new interests and matters, and also during this period, your personal confidence could be out of whack. The good spot will be in regards to loans, money, investment, building up of cash flow, putting into good policies and securities, and there'll be a lot of great money-minded people around you that you could ask for help or tap on them, pick on their brains.